Hello students, I hope you are doing good and busy in learning my C++ tutorials. So now you are excited to write a code in C++, but you don't have laptop to install Visual Studio Code or Turbo C++? Don't worry, you can write and compile your code on mobile as well. Yes, you can. You must be surprised, right? But it's true, you can write and compile your code on mobile. So let's see how we can achieve this. So go to the Google search and search for C++ online compiler. And here is the list of online compilers available for C++. So click on any one of these. So I will click on C++ online compiler provided by W3 schools. Click on try it yourself, and this is a window where you can write the code on left hand side and you can see the result on the right hand side. So we'll just change this text. So I have written welcome to Deepa Code Academy and click on this run button which is available at the top of this window, and you can see the result in the window available on the right side. Now let's try one more compiler which is Programmiz, and the UI is very similar to the W3 school UI. You can write a code as per your requirement and the result is available on the right hand side. You can see the result is sum of two numbers is 40. With the help of Google Chrome on your mobile, you can search for C++ online compiler and do your coding on the mobile. So I hope you are now happy to know about the online compilers and where you can write your code. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. We'll learn new concepts in new videos. Till then, keep coding.